guys, it's your girl Faith L93, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Alright, so today you guys, what I have is a crochet braids hair review for you all, and it is on the hair that I have in my head. It's coming down to about right here. You can see. Now if you watched my beauty supply store haul, you know that I did haul this hair in that video, and this is the Freetress 3x Ghana Loc hair, and it's in the color 1B, and it is 20 inches. So this hair was $8.99 a pack. I believe I think I got 3 or 4 packs in that video, I want to say. And so I only ended up using like a pack and a half, you guys. So you do not need that many. I think there's like 36 pieces in each pack, and so this is the other half a pack that I use. So this is what my hair is looking like after 4 weeks. I've had this styling for 4 weeks. As you can tell, I got a lot of new growth going on. So yes, I did all of these as individual faux locks or individual crochet locks, and let me show you what the hair looks like just straight out the packet. So this is one of the pieces of hair. It kind of has that little curl down at the bottom. Well, it's more of like a crinkle, not really a curl, and then it has a loop at the top. Now I've demonstrated how to put in these types of crochet locks. I did this exactly like how I did my soft locks tutorial. So if you want to see how I install these types of locks, then I will link that soft locks video down below in the description box so that y'all can see how to put them in. But I basically just did the same thing. I'm just reviewing a different type of hair. But first, let's talk about some pros of this hair. The first pro of this hair is that this is super lightweight, you guys. So this hairstyle, I only used a pack and a half, and my hair does not feel heavy. When I put it up in a bun, when I take a shower, it's not heavy at all. Like, this is probably one of the lightest hairstyles that I've ever had. It's lighter than knotless braids. It's lighter than the soft locks that I had. This hair is just like super duper lightweight. Another pro to this hair is that I did not have to use that much hair. So even though it's $8.99 a pack, that's like $9, all I needed was 2 packs, you guys. So that's literally less than 20 bucks for this style, because all you'll need is 2 packs of hair, and it's $8.99 a piece. That's like $9.18. So you're looking at a hairstyle that's under $20 that's going to last you for a while. Like I said, this has lasted me so far for up to 4 weeks, and I definitely could make it last longer, but y'all know how I am. I like to do different things to my hair, and I'm about to do something else different to my hair. So yeah, we gotta check this out. So one of the cons about this hair that I did not like is this hair is super thick and condensed and packed, but it makes it so hard to try to get your hair to crochet through this to get like crocheted through this hair, because it's so thick. Now normally that would be okay, but like, I don't know, it took me a while to try to get it through. Also, I don't know if some of y'all, if y'all can tell, but some of the pieces I did have to go back and wrap some extra hair just around it, because you can definitely see my braids peeping through on some of them. Like, especially if you're up close on my head, like you might can see these braids kind of peeping through, and that's where I would have went and wrapped some like some Marley hair or something around my head, but I really didn't feel like doing all that, so I only did it on like a few pieces. So the front 2 rows, because I wore my hair down a lot, and honestly, if you're not really that close up to me, then you can't really tell for real. But that is one of the other cons about it. Another con, as you can see, the crinkles, they're not as cute anymore. The crinkles have kind of like straightened out a little bit. I don't know, like if you can tell the difference. You see how this is a little bit more crinkly, this one is not, and this side is not. Like, I don't know, I don't like the way that this looks at the bottom. I don't know if it's just me or what, but I'm not really feeling that. I feel like it should be a little bit more curlier or more crinklier, or more crinklier. Is that a word? Crinkly? More crinkly? I think that's the word, more crinkly. This needs to be more crinkly. Yeah. I don't know, I'm not feeling this look. Alright, also another con about this hair is that this hair is kind of, I guess cause this hair is so lightweight, it's kind of like stiff, and it's not like, I don't know, it doesn't have like movement, like, or it won't fall and stay compact. Like I constantly, if I want to wear my hair down like this, I have to tie a scarf on and weigh it down for a little bit for my hair just to be flat. But if I like move it and everything like that, y'all see how it's not as flat, like it don't just lay down flat. It's kind of sticking up, and so I would have to like push it back down or put my scarf or something on, which I don't like that. I need for it to lay just flat without me having to manipulate it and stuff. When I wanted to wear like a side part or something like this, like with my hair wrapped over, I had to stick a lot of bobby pins in just so that it could lay down. And I didn't have to do that with my soft locks hair. Soft locks hair was definitely heavier, but I like the fact that it would just lay. So that is definitely a con for me. I mean, it's not too bad of a con, but if you don't want to constantly have to like lay your hair down or lay it flat, then it could definitely be a con. But anyways, those are basically all the pros and cons that I have for this hair. Would I purchase this hair again? That is the question. And I'm going to have to say no, just because there's other crochet faux lock hair that I like a little bit better than this. Like I like the boho hippie locks. I do have a video on that hair that I reviewed. I really love the way that hair flows and the curls and everything in that. So I definitely I don't think I would buy this hair again, just because I don't like the way it looks on the ends. Now if you're into this, then this might be the style for you. If you like the way that this looks, definitely try it out. Like I said, it's less than 20 bucks for the hair. You can get a lot of wear time out of it. I would even say you could push this up to 6 to 8 weeks for this style. Like I said, I only did 4, but that's because I like change up my hair all the time. So yeah, definitely let me know what y'all think of this hairstyle. Let me know if you've tried this hair before or if you plan on trying it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.